Good morning, everyone. It is apparently a bright and beautiful day outside yet again here in Quebec City. Today we had a choice. The choices were either head west down to Ottawa and onwards from there, or head east. And I was kind of torn between which way to go. But it turns out there are bus networks heading east. Quebec is covered by something called the Orléans Express, and then it turns into the Maritime Bus Company once you hit a certain point in Quebec. So I said, why not? I said that why not? Let's head for east. So we're going to a little place called, I'm going to mispronounce this, Riviere du Loup. Anyway, it means River of the Wolf, or Wolf on the River, and it's the bit where the Quebec buses stop and the New Brunswick buses start. So we're heading there for today. It's just a small town, but it'd be nice to see it. Bus doesn't leave until 1:30, and it's 11 o'clock now, so I'm pretty much just going to head to the bus station because I don't want to carry my bag with me, and we've done pretty much everything here in Quebec, apart from that Museum of Advanced Civilization, which if I'd gotten up earlier I could probably have gone and seen, but c'est la vie, as they say here. So enough chit chat from me. Let's go get some breakfast, and then we shall go and get this day started. made it to the bus station. Now we have to walk half an hour into town. It's really windy. where I am staying, and believe it or not, we have gone from a dungeon room to a place that has not just one, but two windows. It is very windy though, but it's nice. It's very sort of small townish, which is cool. So this evening in this hostel they're having a dinner, so we're going to go and do that, and then we'll probably just chill out and relax, do some editing. I'll show you the view out the window. It's super windy. I think I might have mentioned that already a couple of times, but it's super windy. And then tomorrow we'll go and explore this little town, and then we shall continue. So let me show you the view out the window, and then we'll go and have some dinner.
By the time you changed your mind, I might have left.
Well, dinner was very nice. €6 for $6. I keep thinking I'm in France because everybody's speaking French. $6 for two glasses of wine and some pasta, which was quite nice. So yeah, very good. Anyway, time for me to go to bed, or at least edit a video and then go to bed. And then tomorrow we shall explore this little town and decide what we're doing next. But first I need to figure out how to shut these windows. Having never done this before, I'm assuming, you turn the little thing, and then we have double curtains, which is nice. So we shall shut that, and we shall shut that, and I will see you guys in the morning. Until then, good night.